What do you have to say about you both?
Well, I mean, the whole thing is that you'll see two big alpha males going at each other. Okay, Rana thinks he's right in his own level. He's trying to fix a lot of things from his family this time. He's trying to fix things for his own personal self. Whereas Rao feels that Rana has fixed him, so Rauf has a bone to pick with Rana, and he comes as passionately with that much hatred of emotion towards Rana. And you see this explode on the screen. But it's done in a very interesting way because it's not just about hitting each other or beating each other up. It's also to dwell into these guys' lives, into their philosophy, what they believe, what their belief systems are. So there's some very interesting scenes and conversations that we both have. Those things really excite me. It was wonderful to do it with Rana. He's a wonderful actor, and he's brings everything to the table. The whole cast has been amazing. And unfortunately, all those bad words, I think they took from everybody else, they gave Rauf to say. So I have never sworn so much in my life, okay, as I've sworn in this thing. I wonder how my kids will take to that.
So Rana Garu, we all know Rana Naidu is all about high octane action and testosterone and everything. But this time, Surveen Chawla chala even teaser lo kuda men chustunnamo. And as you said, Kriti Garbanda is joining this season 2. So family drama kuda edo jaragabotundi anipistundi. Can you elaborate on that?
Actually, this is ante the core of this entire season 2 is a family drama. Ante. Okay. It's everything revolves around the relation of this. Ante it's the most dysfunctional family that you will ever see. Okay. And that's the family that they have. Ante oka పిల్లల్ని పట్టించుకునే ఒక ఫాదర్ ఉన్నాడు అండ్ అన్న తమ్ముల్ని ఎక్కువగా పట్టించుకునే ఒక అన్నయ్య ఉంటాడు అండ్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ దోస్ ఆడ్ లైఫ్స్ అంటే ఇందాక ద ఎర్లియర్ టీజర్ యాక్చువల్లీ హ్యాడ్ సంథింగ్ అక్కడ ఐ టెల్ మై వైఫ్ జస్ట్ వన్ లాస్ట్ జాబ్ అండ్ వీ వోంట్ బీ డూయింగ్ దిస్ వీ వోంట్ బీ ఇన్ దిస్ డర్టీ వరల్డ్ అని అండ్ సీజన్ 2 is about me trying to do that one last job and whether Rauf lets me survive it or fail it, you'll watch.
Wow. So Mark Telsu, Rana Garu plays as a fixer in Rana Naidu, but we also know that in real life kuda Rana Garu is a wonderful fixer, party fixer, problem fixer, everything, because we all know that he's a 3 a.m. friend for most of the stars in across the industries.
తొందరగా పడుకుంటున్నా ఎర్లీగా
సో ఐ థింక్ నేను ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఐ విల్ పుట్ ఇట్ టు అర్జున్ గారు సో యాజ్ అ రియల్ లైఫ్ ఐ మీన్ నాట్ లైక్ వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్ అబౌట్ రాణా గారు యాజ్ అ ఫిక్సర్
As a fixer?
Yeah.
I think he's does whatever he does from his heart.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He does it from his good heart. And if you have a problem, you can easily go to him because he'll fix it. And because he's got a good heart. Like I remember when we had to travel very long distances. And I was like, dude, like, you know, I mean, it's just like so cramped. We are tall people. How do you manage it? And he says, I've got a fix for it. And he got this lovely car, okay, which had chairs which become beds behind in those beds. But yeah, it was a very comfortable ride. He has great taste in food. I'm a foodie. So even in Mumbai, he introduced me to places which I had not eaten in. And those have become some of my favorite restaurants now.
హైదరాబాద్లో అయినా ముంబైలో అయినా హోస్ట్ అంటే రాణా గారే
అంటే నో అంటే ఈజ్ ఆల్సో బిన్ వెరీ కైండ్ నేను అంటే ఐ రీలివ్డ్ మై 20s బికాస్ ఐ షాట్ విత్ అర్జున్ అగైన్ ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ డే దట్ వీ యూస్ టు షూట్ అంటే హోల్ డే వీ యూస్ టు ఫైట్ రియల్ టిల్ ద నైట్ అండ్ ఇన్ ద నైట్ వీ యూస్ టు షవర్ గెట్ రెడీ అండ్ దెన్ స్టార్ట్ లైక్ ఓకే నౌ వాట్ డు వి డూ ఇన్ ద నైట్ సో దెర్స్ అ బంచ్ ఆఫ్ యాక్చువల్లీ హ్యాడ్ అ గ్రేట్ టైమ్ working together.
Wow.